County Dispatch, MODOC County Sheriff K9.
MODOC K9 unit, go ahead.
Report to the suspect on rapid response way, vehicle white Ford Transit.
County, I copy that. I actually have eyes in the vehicle. I'm going to initiate a traffic stop.
10-4.
Rogue, get him, bite! Rogue! Rogue! What are you doing? Rogue, you guys, you told me to put Rogue, the dog, in here. He can't bite nobody. What? And who's sleeping back here in the dock? Nash or something sleeping back here in the job. Matt, wake up! You guys got work to do, let's go! Said you put some real dogs in here and you gave me stuffed animals. It's ridiculous. Hey guys, Mark here at Rapid Response, and we're showing you some cool canines we got here with MODOC County Sheriff. So MODOC, we build all their vehicles for them. They're actually out in California, and what's really cool is we have a great relationship with this customer, even that they're in California on the West Coast and we're in Pennsylvania on the East Coast. It goes to show you that we can build a vehicle east to west, north to south, right? We want to especially thank K9’s Dowdy, which is the sheriff there, and all his colleagues and officers and everybody at MODOC. We appreciate their business. We appreciate the work that they give us and the continued work and the relationship that we have. These dogs actually are really cool. So what they do is, let's get all of them out here. They actually name their dogs and they get these made, and they actually look like they're canines, and they're used for promotional stuff, and to actually help fund the canine department, which is really cool. So if you look here, actually, Rogue, which is this guy's vehicle actually. So this is who's going to be in this, and I'm sure we can get a picture of the dog in the car as soon as this gets to California as well. But if you'd like to purchase one of these and support their department, you can contact us here at Rapid Response, or you can contact them directly, either or. But it's really a cool thing that they do, and we're proud to support them in this matter. We sell actually a lot of their dogs for them. The other thing that's cool is not too often do we get swag from a customer, right? We're always usually the person that's giving swag out. But we got some cool shirts, we got some cool hats. The staff is actually wearing these today. We got some really cool canine hats from the Sheriff's Department. So anybody that gives us hats and cool stuff, we obviously like to give them some cool stuff. So we got all kinds of hats. I'm gonna throw some shirts in for them, make sure everybody's got some cool swag. From Rapid Response and Market Graphics as well. There's going to be a full video coming on this vehicle to go over it. If you have any other questions, let us know. And again, thank you everybody out on the West Coast.